A Canadian spring. My sister, who had never been to Canada, came to visit me last April. I was so excited to see her. I picked her up from the big airport in Toronto. We drove on big roads with many cars. We passed fields of grapevines and peach trees on our way to my home in Niagara Falls. The next day, we walked to see the famous Niagara Falls. The water made a big mist that went high in the air and made us a little wet. There were people from all over the world taking pictures. Even though it was April, there were big pieces of ice next to the water that looked like white rocks. Another day, we went to a town where the river meets a big lake. The sun was warm, so we decided to put our feet in the water. Ouch! I shouted as I put my foot in. The water was so cold it hurt. A piece of ice floated right by my toes. We also visited my daughter who lives on a farm. We walked in her woods and saw the new green buds on the trees. We saw pretty spring wildflowers and even the footprints of a raccoon by a small creek. We crossed the creek by walking on a fallen log. On our way home, we stopped at a drive-through restaurant for hamburgers. My sister had never seen a restaurant where you order from your car. Then, we went to a donut shop. There were so many kinds. Round ones, ones with holes, and some with colorful frosting. It was hard to choose.